Now let me introduce our new adjustable high steel new cutter for you. You can cut from 38mm to 126mm. Still new. Okay. What you see now is 38mm, and you can adjust to 126mm. Okay, and what I got now today is this. This one is 48. Okay, 48, around 48mm. The high is around 15mm. Okay, and this one is 75mm. Okay, 75mm. And the height is about 45mm. Okay. And the last one I got is 100mm. Okay. And the height is 45mm. And you can see the edge is curved. The edge is curved like this. We're gonna see if we can cut it smoothly today. Okay, thank you.